Nigerians, I greet you once again, and I want to join those who have echoed the good news that our wonderful colleague of many years standing, Mr. Zach Orji, is there intact. Nothing has happened to him. Please, I'm also hereby countering the negative news that something has happened to him. In fact, the president of our guild, National, Mr. Emeka Rulers, sent out a statement claiming that nothing whatsoever happened to him. That's the claim I'm standing on right now. This time in our social life, there's bound to be wicked rumor mongers. This time around, they have failed to achieve their aim. If there's anything like quarrel between you and Zach, or this is not the opportunity to settle the score. No. We wish our fellow human beings long life and prosperity. So I'm here saying that that rumor was false and should be discounted. Long life to everybody. By the grace of God, we're going to stay alive till end of this year. Now fast approaching. Last Christmas wasn't long ago. The journey has started. Everybody will live long till end of the year. So will Mr. Zach Orji and other colleagues of Nollywood. I have this big prayer that God should come to our rescue. God should come and be our friend at this point. This rumor is trying to gain grounds. Let it stop here. Please, I greet all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.